If you're into off-road vehicles and you like Broncos, let's check this one out. So the first thing you see on this is the beautiful blue. Is actually from a 70s Ford truck, but man, it looks gorgeous on this Bronco. So everything you see here that's black was originally chrome, and we kind of wanted to give it that more modern feel, and that actually leads to the name of this Bronco. It's called Black and Blue. This Bronco is powered by a 302 Ford engine. It is stroked to a 347 cubic inch, has plenty of power. We went with the Holley Sniper 2 for the engine management on this. Runs great. We also did the Holley accessory drive, which gives it that nice tight feel so that you have plenty of room for a fan and a radiator. These engine bays are tight, so you have to do everything you can to gain as much room as possible so you can run a big fan and a big radiator to keep that horsepower cool. This is a Hydro Boost brake system. Man, it stops these old Broncos, or any old truck for that matter, excellent. A cool feature I do on all of our off-road builds is these engine bay lights. This customer wanted to take this off-road, and to go off-road, you need a winch. You need the lights, and we went with the Baja Design lights. They have a great light output. They're small, but man, they light up the world. The winch is from Smithy built, and the controller for it's right here, easy access when you need it. To match the front bumper, we have a matching rear bumper, again from Tom's Off-Road. This one's equipped with the swing away spare tire. So you just pull that lever out, and then this allows you access to the 2.5 gallon gas tank for spare gas when you're out on the trail. And then when you're done, it just swings back in and you're good to go. We also have the Raceline wheel. It's powder coated bronze chrome to accent with that gorgeous blue color. We went with the Baja Champion BF Goodwrench off-road tires. They're the mud terrains, should get them in and out of any trail they want to go on. A cool feature to have at night when you're rock crawling is rock lights. And this Bronco has 4 of them, so you can see that obstacle coming up. This Bronco is just as beautiful on the inside as the outside. Let's check it out. So we picked the Bronco interior kind of based off the wheel color. So we went with a walnut seat, and these seats are from Tom's Off-Road. They have a lot of good products for these Broncos. We went with a more rugged interior on the floor. This is actually no carpet, no rubber mat. It's actually bed liner, and which is easy to just wipe out, rinse out with the hose after a long day of 4-wheel driving. So this Bronco has a 5-speed manual transmission. It's an NV 4500. It's also got the manual 231 GM transfer case in it to put it into 4-wheel drive. The customer wanted a full roll cage on this build. Again, we went to Tom's Off-Road. They have a great product for these Broncos. Just looks the part in this old Bronco, and it should be tough. So to control all of the lighting function on this Bronco, we went to Switch Pros. They have a great little panel to control all of the light bars, the backup lights, the rock lights. We went with Baja Designs again for the interior lights on this. One thing you'll notice in this Bronco is the black headliner, and they don't come black, they come white. So if you want a black one, you have to wrap it yourself, and that's exactly what we did here. On this Bronco, the owner requested a touchscreen radio/navigation system, so we went to Stinger and picked up this unit. Even though this Bronco's top comes off, it has full air conditioning, and we went to Vintage Air. They make a great air conditioning system for these Broncos. We had a ton of fun working on this. If you want to see more beautiful cars, head on over to ekinsgarage.com. Check us out.